Hey everyone, it's Steve here from CoinKite, and today I'll be demonstrating how to properly dispose of your COLDCARD Q. Let's get started. To dispose of your COLDCARD Q, you'll want to destroy the two secure elements that are located on the back of the device in the top right hand corner. Once the two secure elements have been destroyed, the device will be rendered useless, which is the goal here. So we're going to grab a drill to get the job done. The directions are pretty straightforward. Drill into both secure elements until there's a visible hole in each. That should be enough to get the job done. One down, one to go. As you can see, the first secure element is gone, which means we did a good job. Time for number 2. Now that we have a hole through each secure element, they're now rendered useless. You're now safe to dispose of your COLDCARD Q. For the extra paranoid, let's turn on the device to see what happens. As you can see, it will stay on the screen forever and never boot up. Thanks for watching. For more information or to make a purchase, go to CoinKite.com.